Welcome to our journey through the enchanting Netherlands, a country that beautifully blends rich history with stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. In this video, we'll explore some of the most iconic spots that make the Netherlands a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast. From the picturesque canals of Amsterdam to the breathtaking tulip fields of Keukenhof, we'll take you on a visual adventure that showcases the unique beauty of this remarkable country. As we navigate through the charming streets of Utrecht and the historic windmills of Kinderdijk, you'll discover not just the sights, but also the stories behind them. We'll delve into the cultural highlights that define Dutch heritage, including the world-renowned art of the Rijksmuseum and the innovative architecture of Rotterdam. Each landmark we visit has its own tale to tell, and we're excited to share these narratives with you. Our aim is to inspire your wanderlust and ignite your curiosity about the Netherlands. Whether you're planning your next vacation or simply dreaming from your couch, this video will provide you with a wealth of information and stunning visuals that capture the essence of Dutch life. So, grab your virtual passport and get ready to uncover the wonders of the Netherlands. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable exploration, revealing the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this country truly special. Let's dive in and discover what makes the Netherlands a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. The iconic canals of Amsterdam are not just a stunning visual feast. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, steeped in history and architectural beauty. Constructed in the 17th century during the Dutch Golden Age, these canals were designed to facilitate trade and transport, while also showcasing the wealth and power of the city. Today, they serve as a testament to Amsterdam's innovative urban planning and engineering prowess, with their elegant bridges and charming houseboats lining the waterways. Exploring the canals offers a variety of engaging activities that allow you to experience the city from a unique perspective. One of the most popular ways to take in the sights is through a scenic boat tour. Whether you choose a classic canal cruise or a more intimate private boat rental, gliding along the water gives you a front-row seat to the stunning gabled facades and lush greenery that adorn the banks. For those who prefer to stay on land, cycling along the canals is a beloved pastime for both locals and visitors alike, providing an opportunity to soak in the vibrant atmosphere of the surrounding neighborhoods. As you wander through areas like the Jordaan and De Piep, you'll encounter picturesque views at every turn, from quaint cafes to bustling markets. The canals are not just a backdrop, they are the heart of Amsterdam, connecting diverse communities and offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural tapestry. So, whether you're cruising the waters or cycling alongside them, the canals of Amsterdam promise an unforgettable experience filled with beauty and history. Welcome to the breathtaking Keukenhof Gardens, a true paradise for flower lovers and a must-visit destination in the Netherlands, especially during the springtime. Known as the Garden of Europe, Keukenhof is home to over 7 million bulbs, showcasing a stunning array of vibrant tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths that burst into bloom each year. The gardens open their gates from mid-March to mid-May, transforming into a colorful tapestry that attracts visitors from around the globe. As you stroll through the meticulously landscaped grounds, you'll be captivated by the seasonal beauty that unfolds with each passing week. The gardens feature a variety of themed displays, each designed to highlight different flower types and colors. From the classic Dutch tulip fields to innovative floral arrangements, every corner of Keukenhof offers a new visual delight. The themed gardens, such as the historical garden and the natural garden, provide a unique perspective on the artistry of horticulture, making it a feast for the senses. To truly experience the magic of Keukenhof, plan your visit during the annual Flower Festival, which celebrates the peak of the blooming season. This event features not only stunning floral displays, but also cultural performances, workshops, and exhibitions that showcase the rich heritage of Dutch flower cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply someone who appreciates natural beauty, Keukenhof Gardens promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the vibrant colors and fragrant blooms. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in this floral wonderland. Welcome to Zonsschans, a picturesque historic village that offers a captivating glimpse into traditional Dutch life, complete with iconic windmills that have become symbols of the Netherlands. These remarkable structures played a crucial role in Dutch history, serving as vital tools for milling grain, pumping water, and processing various materials. Windmills are not just functional, they represent the ingenuity and resilience of the Dutch people, who have mastered the art of harnessing wind power for centuries. At Zonsschans, visitors have the unique opportunity to explore several well-preserved windmills, each with its own story and purpose. As you wander through the village, you can witness the inner workings of these magnificent machines and learn about their significance in shaping the Dutch landscape. But the experience doesn't stop there. Zonsschans is also home to traditional crafts, where you can observe artisans at work creating beautiful wooden shoes and intricate Delftware pottery. Don't miss the chance to indulge in local cheese production as well. The village features cheese-making demonstrations, allowing you to taste some of the finest Dutch cheeses, including the famous Edam and Gouda. As you stroll along the scenic pathways, take in the breathtaking views of the windmills set against the backdrop of lush green fields and serene waterways. Zonsschans is not just a destination. It's a journey into Dutch heritage that invites you to appreciate the beauty and history of this remarkable country. Welcome to the Rijksmuseum, the crown jewel of Amsterdam and a treasure trove of Dutch art and history. This iconic museum is home to an extensive collection that showcases the brilliance of the Dutch Golden Age, featuring masterpieces by renowned artists such as Rembrandt and Vermeer. One of the highlights of the museum is Rembrandt's The Night Watch, a stunning portrayal of a militia company that captivates visitors with its dramatic use of light and shadow. Additionally, Vermeer's The Milkmaid offers a glimpse into everyday life in the 17th century, celebrated for its exquisite detail and serene beauty. Beyond its remarkable collection, the Rijksmuseum is an architectural marvel in itself. The building, designed by architect Pierre Cuypers, combines Gothic and Renaissance styles, creating a striking facade that draws visitors in. Inside, the museum's layout is thoughtfully designed to enhance the experience of exploring Dutch culture, with spacious galleries that allow for an immersive journey through time. Art lovers will find themselves enchanted by the extensive collections and rotating exhibitions that highlight various aspects of Dutch history and artistry. From stunning paintings to intricate decorative arts, the Rijksmuseum offers something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned art enthusiast or a casual visitor, the museum invites you to delve into the rich tapestry of Dutch heritage. So, take your time to wander through the galleries, appreciate the masterpieces, and immerse yourself in the stories that these artworks tell. A visit to the Rijksmuseum is not just an exploration of art. It's a celebration of the cultural legacy that has shaped the Netherlands. Welcome to Kinderdijk, home to a stunning collection of iconic windmills that stand as a testament to Dutch ingenuity and engineering prowess. Built in the 18th century, these 19 windmills were constructed to manage water levels in the low-lying Dutch landscape, a crucial task in a country where much of the land is below sea level. The windmills work in harmony with a sophisticated system of dikes and canals, showcasing the innovative spirit of the Dutch people in their ongoing battle against water. As you explore Kinderdijk, you'll be captivated by the scenic landscape that surrounds these historic structures. The windmills, set against the backdrop of lush green fields and tranquil waterways, create a picturesque scene that is perfect for photography. Whether you're capturing the windmills at sunrise or enjoying the golden hues of sunset, every angle offers a unique perspective on this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors to Kinderdijk have the opportunity to learn about the intricate water management techniques that have been developed over centuries. Guided tours and informative exhibits provide insights into how the Dutch have mastered the art of living with water, ensuring the safety and sustainability of their communities. So, whether you're an avid photographer, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Kinderdijk offers a memorable experience. Take your time to wander through the area, soak in the stunning views, and gain a deeper understanding of the vital role these windmills play in Dutch culture and heritage. A visit to Kinderdijk is not just a journey through history. It's an exploration of the remarkable relationship between the Dutch people and their land. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of the Netherlands, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible experiences we've explored together. From the enchanting canals of Amsterdam, where history and modern life intertwine, to the breathtaking beauty of Keukenhof gardens, bursting with vibrant tulip displays, each location we visited showcases the unique charm and cultural significance of this remarkable country. We also marveled at the iconic windmills of Kinderdijk, symbols of Dutch ingenuity, and delved into the artistic treasures housed within the Rijksmuseum, where masterpieces by Rembrandt and Vermeer await. These iconic spots not only highlight the stunning landscapes and rich history of the Netherlands, but also invite you to immerse yourself in the local culture. Each destination offers a unique perspective on what makes the Netherlands so special, and we encourage you to explore these wonders on your own travels. Whether you're wandering through the picturesque streets of Utrecht or enjoying a boat tour along the canals, there's something for everyone to discover. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about travel and culture, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear about your own experiences in the Netherlands or any questions you may have, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to inspire your next journey to the beautiful Netherlands.